This is Grace with Graceful Living. Today we have another episode of Wild Foraging in Hawaii with Kiani.
This one here is called Go-To Cola. It's got a heart-shaped leaf. It's used in Chinese medicine. It's known to be good for your hair, your nails, and your skin. It promotes longevity. It's good for your brain, and there's many other uses for it. You can find this actually at the health food store now for $30 a bottle, but I think the natural form is better because you're getting all the enzymes and everything all packed in there. But what I like about Go-To Cola the most is that it actually tastes like carrots.
Nice.
So most greens that you find are really bitter, but this one's actually not so bad and pretty tasty. It grows like little runners like this, and when you pick it, you want to be careful not to uproot it. So you break the stem kind of carefully from the point you're gonna eat. But there's actually some awapuhi, some shampoo ginger that grows here, and there's many different ways you can use this. Traditionally, people think it's just a shampoo that you can wash your hair with. You can squeeze it into your hand and then put it right into your hair, or you can bring like an old shampoo bottle with you and fill it up. But I did a research project on native Hawaiian plants for this community garden I was participating in. But they only allowed native plants, which was kind of a challenge because like, what could you really grow that's native? You can't grow lettuce, you can't grow much veggies at all. But awapuhi was one of them. And he was saying that the root from the awapuhi plant is edible, and it's known in some parts of the world as bitter ginger. So it is a bit bitter, and it does taste kind of like a cough syrup in a good way. But I find it to have a really unique taste to it, and I probably wouldn't eat it straight, but I would mix it with half the traditional ginger known as garden ginger and other veggies and things. So you can take the roots. I don't like to dig up the plant, but sometimes like on the side up here you'll see some roots exposed. You can just pull some of these roots up. Like here's one. You can just pull one of these roots up. You can take some of this home and plant it, wash it off and eat it. Another thing I discovered just 2 days ago was that I don't know why my friend decided to do this, was you can actually just drink the nectar out of the flower pod or whatever it is. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm not gonna like squeeze it out. I'm just gonna kind of squeeze it a little bit and suck it out. Because you see how you squeeze it and it just kind of drips out?
Yeah.
Some of it's rainwater, but some of it's nectar and whatever that shampoo stuff really is. So I'm just gonna squeeze it and take a little sip. And it tastes really good. It is really watery, but it has that floral taste to it. Like I don't know if you've eaten these ginger flowers before, but they are really good too. But I should take note of this because sometimes I'm hiking and I don't carry water with me when I'm hiking, so this could be a good source for pure, clean water.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Please go to graceinhawaii.com for more information. If you are interested in wild foraging, please check out Kiani's meetup group.